We're here today with Mark from Sierra Rose Reclaim Wood. He has some absolutely gorgeous signs that he makes. We are here at the Spring Hill Farmers Market. Mark, we're here to talk to you today about what you've been doing with CBD and how it's affected your life. Would you be kind enough to explain to us when you started and how it's been working for you?
Absolutely. So I've had a bad back for about 22 years. I had an operation 22 years ago, and the doctor's remedy after the operation was to allow the cartilage to build back up in my L5, which I lost 3/4 of, and that should stabilize my spine. I didn't want the pins and the screws and the plates, so we went in that route, and through the last 22 years, I've had a bad back. So I've tried acupuncture, chiropractor, TENS, cold pack, heat pack, the whole bit. And recently, my back was out for probably close to a month. And I met a friend of mine, Richard, at the farmer's market, and he suggested CBD oil. I tried everything else, and I also tried that. To my amazement, I tried it that day, and I got through the whole day with no pain, no inflammation. I was blown away. Shortly after that, I bought about 6 or 8 syringes of the CBD oil, and I've dosed myself up to a point where now I can do it 3 times a day in small quantities, and it keeps me consistent through the week. It handles my inflammation. So amazingly, my back doesn't hurt, my knees are better, and it's all from the CBD oil.
As far as overall feelings of well-being, has it helped you? Has it helped diminish your stress level at all?
Excuse me. So I'm 58 years old, and I'm an active person, and when my back is out or sore, it depresses me, it gets me frustrated, and since I've been taking the CBD oil, I've reversed to probably about 40 years old, and I'm doing things all day long throughout the day. I start at 5:36 in the morning, and by 7 o'clock I go to bed, but through the whole day, if I take my CBD oil, I'm good to go.
That's wonderful news, Mark. How long did it take after your first dosage before you noticed the difference?
Literally an hour to 2 hours.
That's fantastic
It's
results.
Unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
So thus far, you're pleased with the results.
I'm pleased with it, and I'm learning through self-dosing how much to take through the day and what works for me. In the beginning, I was taking 1,500 milligrams, and now I take maybe 3 to 5 drops and 3 times a day.
That is the one thing that is not scientific. We all assimilate CBD in a different manner, so dosage is one thing that we have to play with. The purity of the product we know is there. We thank you so much for your time, Mark, and continued success with CBD. Thank you.
I thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too.